To Cash App stocks. Start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and navigating to the investing section. This is where you can view your portfolio and make trades. If you have not already done so, you will need to set up your Cash App account and link it to a funding source, such as a bank account or debit card. Once you are in the investing section, select the stock you want to sell by tapping on it. You will then see the current price of the stock, as well as your total investment and any gains or losses. To proceed with selling the stock, tap the Sell button. You will then be asked to confirm the sale by entering the amount of stock you want to sell. You can choose to sell all of your shares or just a portion of them. After entering the amount, review the details of the sale to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the sale, the funds will be deposited into your Cash App account. You can then use these funds to purchase other stocks, or you can transfer them to your linked bank account or debit card. Keep in mind that selling stocks may result in taxes, so be sure to understand the tax implications before making a sale. It is also important to keep in mind that the value of your stocks can fluctuate rapidly, so it is essential to stay informed and up to date on market trends. Additionally, be sure to only invest what you can afford to lose, as investing in the stock market always carries some level of risk. By following these steps, you can easily Cash App stocks and manage your investments through the Cash App. Remember to always do your research and stay informed to make the most of your investments.